Content Presentation Through Technology by Bharti Manur. First, select the platform. There are two types of platforms. One is paid, for example, Adobe, Spark, Google PowerPoint, etc. And other is free, that is Google Slides. I have chosen Microsoft PowerPoint presentation here, which is available usually with all computers as default. Today's topic of discussion is preparation of PowerPoint presentation and its presentation. So contents that are going to be discussed here: first, content design; second, technical aspect; third, presentation of the content through PowerPoint presentation. First, let us start with content design. Yes, content is the king. Use cleverly. You might have understood the thing. Technology might be there, but it is only to support you. But everything is the content. Tips to arrange content in slides. So here we have an expert. He is David J.P. Phillips. Phillips is world-renowned public speaking coach and author of the groundbreaking book How to Avoid Death by PowerPoint. So he is among 100 good speakers in the world. What he says about PowerPoint presentation and what are his golden rules to follow, we will see. Here you might be seeing a slide wherein you have lot of things to see and understand. It looks like a piece of paper wherein you have lot of information. It won't convey much information properly. Instead, if we go for this tip number 1, this tip is given by again Philip. He says it is enough to have 1 point per slide. Why? Because only 1 point can give us the clarity in a very simple way. Oh my God, you just see so much of information is there. Understanding the end game. The concept is understanding the end game, but here we are struggling to understand even the starting point, where to start and where to end. Such slides won't help us to convey much information, even though they are having lot of information. Instead, see this. One more slide is there. Okay. This is political situation in Afghanistan. One warrior is conveying situation in Afghanistan to his fellow workers. If he explains this, his fellow workers will go mad. It is such a bad slide, I can say. You can go for this. No sentences. Then what to show on the slides? Slide is meant for sentences only. No. You can use text instead of sentences. I mean to say, don't use complete sentences. You can put highlights, main points along with pictures. Pictures are more appealing. So you can go for 50-50 ratio, like one slide and little bit of one slide, little bit of text along with one good image. Now you see, here also a lot of information is there, but if you could make it properly, you will forget the remaining. So instead of putting the information on slides like this, you can go. Tip number 3, use size. the importance of heading. My first heading is the importance of heading. You might be observing the difference between heading, subheading and the last line which indicates the content. So there should be a definite amount of difference in size between headings, subheadings and content, and they should be presented with different colors, and there should be a proper gap between the lines. It will make a good presentation. Here you can see a slide wherein the person has chosen gradient shade as a background. On that he has put the content with the white color. Are you able to make out something from this? Definitely not. Go for tip number 4. Use contrast. Clear writing is way of presenting information so that it is easy for everyone to read and understand. To make everyone understand easily, use proper colors. I mean choosing colors so that your text will reflect properly on proper background. So contrast is the best option for that. Here I have given you a puzzle. You just count these boxes immediately. Yes. Yeah, I understood. It creates a cognitive load. You feel tired in finishing the work, and it takes maximum time. I mean 2 seconds it will take. Let us reduce the number of boxes. Count again. We'll see what happens. Here there are less boxes than the previous slide, but still more. I think you might have counted them. You might have taken little less time than previous. It takes 1.2 seconds to count all these boxes, and it processes 500 times faster than the previous slide. But we will take one more chance and let us count again. That comes under tip number 5. So limit objects to 5. Okay, what happens if we take our objects? Here object means images, text, whatever you put on your slide, that counts for objects. Okay, here if you take 5 objects, that will be processed much faster than previous slides in your brain, and time to process, the time it takes to process is 0.2 seconds, which is easy for instant learning. Next we'll move to technical aspect. Okay, what comes under technical aspect? Before going to that, let us see something about technology, what Nassim Nicholas Taleb, the best-selling author who has given a lot of good books which comes under Fooled by Randomness, Procrastus and Black Swan, etc. He tells that the difference between technology and slavery is that slaves are fully aware that they are not free. We, the slaves of technology, even that also we don't know that we are slaves of technology, but we should not be slaves of technology. Technology should only complement us. It should not rule us. We have to rule the technology. Okay, select design. What is the design? Design is something that PowerPoint presentation by default gives us to create a slide. I'll show it practically. Insert text. Again, text is something which we write on each slide, and we will do it practically again. And text is just ink on the page. Until a reader comes along and gives it life, it is little bit of philosophical way, but here in PowerPoint presentation whatever you write on the slide is your text, but be careful while selecting the text. Next, insert the picture. Okay, here I have given picture of Socrates. Socrates was the person, he was called as father of Western philosophy, and what things tell us about picture is, the best thing about a picture is that it never changes even when the people in it do. Yes, it is absolutely correct, but in PowerPoint presentation we put appropriate pictures, we select good contrast background picture. Here you might be seeing that it is little cream colored Socrates face on brick color background. It looks very reflective when you see it to it. So select proper pictures, put them in proper proportion. It should cover at least half of your page depending on your text. Insert video. Again, I have chosen a very wonderful saying from Yuval Noah Harari. He is my favorite writer.
Last week we talked about addition
what
and
Harari says is, there is a saying that if you get something for free,
let me
you
ask you a
should
question
know
from last
that
week. If
you
Emeka
are the
has
product.
50 cubes of
It was
sugar
never more true than
and
in case
Emeka
of
leaks
Facebook and
40
Gmail and
cubes of
YouTube.
sugar, what
You get
will
free
Emeka
social
have?
media services and you get free funny cat videos.
Cynthia,
In exchange,
Uncle,
you give
if
up
Emeka
the
leaks
most valuable
40
asset you
Emeka will
have,
have
which is
diabetes.
your personal data. Of course, many elections
my friend, will you sit
nowadays
down?
in the world are taking place
You.
Uncle, I
on
want to use the
this
My
bathroom.
friend, sit
secret
down. I'm just coming into the
formula
class and
only.
now you want to use the
Anyway,
bath. Will you sit
here
down?
we
Uncle, if I
are
don't
to
use the
insert
bathroom now, I'll wheel
a
myself.
video.
Yes, we on
Video,
yourself. Sit
you
down.
have to choose of good quality,
Nonsense.
and it should be a
If you
very
like,
short
don't pay
video,
attention.
because long videos again takes the viewers to sleepy mode. It should not happen, so take care about good videos.
And that is the answer. Do you all understand? Do you all understand? I assume you all understand. What?
I don't understand from there.
From where?
From the beginning.
What don't you understand here? What don't you understand here? This is x. X has cancelled x and x has cancelled x. 1x equals to 2x and 1 is equals to 2. So what don't you understand?
I understand.
Sit down. What? What?
Uncle, I don't understand.
From where don't you understand? From where?
From last term.
Every child is entitled to good education. And for our Nigerian government, NYSC, the NYSC program, okay, don't worry.
Insert transition. Before I could click here, you heard some sound. That sound gives a kind of transition. What is that transition? Something moving from one stage to second stage smoothly. One philosophical saying again, sometimes God brings times of transition to create transformation. This is very hard COVID time. You may consider this time as period of transition, and meantime we are transforming ourselves. Here you might be seeing that a fish skipping, jumping from one bowl to other bowl to get itself transformed. As we know, it is leaving its comfort zone, but it's for the goodwill. Okay, here transition means we are changing one slide from other slide. Viewers should not feel jerk in between. So to make the transition smoother, we are using transitions. Transitions comes in the form of sound. It makes a little sound. When viewer focus on the sound, by the time your slide will be changed.
Hey up there, wake up!
Everybody
You
loves
see,
animations.
nothing. Without
from
light, it's
children
nothing.
to
And without light, how do we know what this is?
yes,
A tennis ball
Walt
or a
Disney,
hula baker?
we
So,
can call
now let's
as
have some light
father
on the
of
subject.
animations.
Aha!
In real sense,
An orange maybe.
he says something about animation.
A large
Animation
plum?
offers a
No.
medium of storytelling
A
and
lettuce?
visual entertainment.
No. Now,
Which can
we
bring
put all the
pleasure
colors
and
together.
information to
Red, blue
people
and
of all
green, which
ages
gives
everywhere in the world.
white.
Yes, definitely.
I'm surprised.
And
Isn't you? Of course you are.
you can see this
Now we can see what we
animation
got.
also.
A juicy
You can
red
see it.
apple. Whoops. That just proves one thing. Never eat an apple in the dark. Oh, it's raining. Go out the lecture. All right, give them a rain check. We come back. Goodbye. And then... Oh, what am I saying? Look at it. That was no rain. That was the spectrum. You see the flashing off of my spectacles. And that breaks up the light into a color spectacular. It's like a rainbow. Now, let's see what's at the end of the rainbow. Gold, a pot, no, a piano, of course.
Now comes to presentation. There are two ways to present our PPT. One is offline presentation, other one is online presentation. What is online presentation? You may be giving a webinar wherein you are giving your lecture using your PowerPoint presentation. In other end, viewer is visualizing or seeing that presentation. It happens online, therefore we call it as online presentation. Other one is offline. As here I am using this PowerPoint presentation, I don't need any internet connection here to play my presentation. So I have taken it in a pen drive. I have inserted pen drive here and you are watching my PowerPoint presentation. That is called offline presentation. You can go for both depending on your comforts. Now insert voice and record. So now we can give our voiceover for every slide to explain the content in the slides. So for this purpose only I am recording my voice here to show you how voice can be recorded over each slide. By the way, there is a good saying by Steve Jobs. We'll see what is that. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. Yes, definitely right now. Yes. Now, convert it into video. Our PowerPoint presentation can be converted into video in two ways. One is through PPT only. Like in PowerPoint presentation only, there is a option to record the voice. Once voice has been recorded, or PPT automatically converts itself into a video. Then directly we can upload it to YouTube. Or if you don't want to record your voice over each slide through PowerPoint presentation, you can go for some other external sources like software. Using software, ShareX is one good software. It records your screen. When you are explaining something on the screen, it records your audio as well as your screen. It means it is going to create one good video. That video you can directly upload to YouTube. Save the video. Once you have given voice over to a video, you have to save it in a particular folder, and you have to save that file in some drive or in a pen drive, something like that. Here I have shown you how I have shared my PowerPoint presentation in F drive, which has a folder KPS. In KPS folder I have this file. Yes. Now upload the video to YouTube. Now my PowerPoint presentation video is ready. I am going to upload it to YouTube. How to upload it to YouTube is again a big question. So to have an account in YouTube, first you have to have one Gmail account for you. If you have Gmail account, through that Gmail account only Google will give you membership or partnership to upload your videos to YouTube. So once you have entered or login into YouTube, you will get a screen like this. Then in this interface there is a upper arrow mark. There if you click, you will get option to upload your video. Uploading is very easy. Just drag your video from the drive or from folder. Just drag there and leave here and put here or drop here. It will be uploaded automatically to YouTube. Once you have been given a chance to upload your video to YouTube, then you will get a link. The link, see here. Here it is the interface of the YouTube where you will get a link. I have circled the link. We have to copy that link and we can use it for sharing. Next process is sharing the link. How to share the link? You have copied that. Now how to share that link? You can share that link through WhatsApp, through mail, through drive, through external devices like a pen drive, hard disk, etc. Just send the link as the message you generally send in many cases, or you just mail. In the mail you just paste that link, it will go to the receiving end. Or through drive, if you have not uploaded that video to YouTube, you can upload it to your personal drive, and from that personal drive you can give the link to the users. They will use and see your videos. And through external devices, like if you put the same video in pen drive or hard disk, you can give physically those things to your friends or the person whoever you want to give the content. They will open the same content in their system, personal computers or laptop like that, and they will access to the videos. So in this way, material or information. Other tools that are required to create one awesome PowerPoint presentation video is you can use ShareX. ShareX is, as I have already told you, it will be used to record the screen along with voice. And Snapshot is again a software which has been used to take pictures of a particular area on the screen. Sometimes what happens, if you save some image, the image along with full other informations also it will be saved, but sometimes we don't want the full screen image, we want a bit of that. To cut the only part of the image which we want, we have to go for Snapshot. Snipping tool is a wonderful software to get a part of the picture or image. Editing tool you need to have. Premiere Pro I am having, but you can go for some other tools also. They are available. Many tools are available online. And Handbrake, lastly it is. Handbrake is a software which is used to compress the video. Sometimes what happens, if your video is too large, it takes lot of time to upload to YouTube, or to even you cannot upload a very big video to Google Drive very easily. For that purpose, if you compress that video without compromising its quality, Handbrake will do that. It will compress your video, make it small so that you can easily upload it to YouTube or it to Drive. Last stop. Pablo Picasso says that learn the rules like pro. I think now you have learned few rules of preparing a PowerPoint presentation. What Picasso says is very interesting, so you can break them like an artist. So preparing PowerPoint presentation is not the work of an expert, but it is work of artist. You please learn all the rules, then you please break them to create a wonderful content like an artist. Thanks for watching.